SpaceX makes the best rocket in the world. Yes, even better than this organization. And today we will see how do they manage to do all of this. So why are SpaceX rockets so special anyways? The main reason SpaceX rockets are so special is because of their reusability, meaning they use their one rocket multiple times unlike other space organizations. In the beginning, SpaceX was just like any other organization. They were using their rockets once and throwing them away. The first rocket that SpaceX made was the Falcon 1. This thing was only 21 meters and could get up to 450 kgs to the low Earth orbit. SpaceX failed 3 times launching this into space. Elon Musk sold everything, including his house, to launch it for the 4th time. Unfortunately, it worked this time, and SpaceX got a contract of $1.2 billion from NASA. And that's how NASA saved SpaceX from dying, because if SpaceX never got that contract, they will be bankrupt. In the meantime, SpaceX was working on a bigger rocket, the Falcon 9, and everyone knows how many times it failed to land, but eventually SpaceX succeeded and they landed the Falcon 9 for the first time. Then SpaceX started working on a bigger rocket, the Falcon Heavy. They launched the Falcon Heavy in 2018 and got succeeded in the first try. They managed to land the side boosters, but the core stage crashed into the ocean. But in the second launch, they landed all 3 of the stages. And now they are working on an even bigger rocket, the Starship and Super Heavy. I'm gonna make a separate video explaining Starship and Super Heavy, but for now let me tell you some of the basic things. Starship and Super Heavy is a 2-stage rocket on which SpaceX is working. They have succeeded in a cryo test, 150-meter hop test, 10-kilometer flight test, and they have also checked Super Heavy and Starship once. They can potentially launch them in late March or early April. Elon Musk will do a presentation explaining Starship and Super Heavy, so we will get an update on everything. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.